Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to add the extensions on the Google Chrome page. So what you have to do is click on your left top button, that is the apps button. Click on it and then click on the web store and see you get all these extensions etc. I have already installed some of these: speed test, open Google Drive, Google Translate, etc. Just have to download it. Like I'll show you one. Let's download this. And you just have to click Add to Chrome, and then Add extension, and then it will download. Mm, Waiting for it to get it downloaded. I mean install. Uh, it will show you whatever I have installed. The last past icon will show up here, and that's it. Comment if you think any improvement, and like the video if you liked it. Thank you.